go ahead and download that profile, shall we? So the first thing that you're going to need to do is hop into Safari on your device. So we're going to go into Safari here. And you're going to go to this link, beta.apple.com, which is Apple's website for downloading beta profiles. The next thing that you're going to want to do is create an Apple ID if you don't have one. If you have one, go ahead and enter your Apple ID username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be brought to a screen to verify your devices. After verifying your device, you're going to be brought to this screen where you can go ahead and download the profile. Make sure you select the right profile for the right device. Just because it says iPadOS, don't select iPadOS on iPhone. So here what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click iPhone. Once you click on the iOS link, scroll down and click enroll your iOS device. Once you click on enroll your iOS device, go ahead and scroll down and click download profile. The next thing you're going to do is click on allow. The last thing that you're going to need to do is click on close, and then we're going to head back to settings. So we're going to do that right now. We're going to go to settings from our home screen, and we're going to back out of here because we want to start from the beginning. Inside of settings, we're going to go down to general, and the next thing that we're going to want to do is scroll down to profiles. So what you guys are going to need to do is scroll down to profiles, and we're going to go to the iOS 13 beta software profile. Once you click on the profile that you want to install, we're going to go ahead and click on install. The next thing we're going to do is enter our passcode. I'll be right back as soon as I'm finished doing that. Next, you're going to get an important note from Apple. You're going to want to read that to be on the safe side. If you don't want to read it, just go ahead and click install. Next thing we're going to do is click install. The next thing we're going to do is restart our device. We're going to click restart, and I'll be right back as soon as my device is back on the lock screen. Once you're finished restarting your device and you enter your passcode, go back to the home screen, which is going to automatically take you there, and go into settings and head to general, and I'll be right back. Inside of general, go ahead and click on software update, and then we're going to go ahead and install the update. Now on my device here, it's not showing the screen for me to go ahead and install the device because I'm already on the developer beta. But if you're doing this right now, you should see screen to install the public beta of iOS 13. Once you're on iOS 13, you're going to have access to so many features, including dark mode like I showcased while installing the beta, the new Photos application, and more. Alright guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, let me know with a like or dislike. If you guys enjoyed the content that you see on this channel, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications for all things Apple, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Now enjoy iOS 13.